Problem 21. We shift gears a little bit. It says simplify each expression. So our goal is simplify. Now, in simplifying, it could mean a few different things. On problem 21, this one kind of looks obvious that I have like terms that I can combine. So we got 3x squared and 7x squared gives me 10x squared. And this lonely minus 9x needs to stay lonely. You can't combine it with the 10x squared because they're not exactly alike. Move to 22. And you might be tempted to, ooh, FOIL, yay. No, 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 and no. Notice the big ol' hunkin' plus sign right in the middle. Okay. Means I'm just adding this binomial to this binomial. When you add binomials or polynomials in general, really what you're doing is combining like terms. 3x and negative 10x combines to give you negative 7x. And positive 8 and negative 4 combines to give you positive 4. Now, if you're really wanting to be thorough, what you could do was, if you see parentheses and you automatically think, oh, I just want to do distributive property so bad. Okay, do it. Just remember there's a 1 in front of the parenthesis. That gives you 3x plus 8. I really want to do distributive property again. Okay. Do it again. Just remember there's a 1 in front of it. Minus 10x and a minus 4. Now you can combine like terms, but it's going to be the same thing. Turn the page. Look at 23. Similar case where you might want to FOIL, but that ain't going to work because there's a minus sign in the middle. We're not multiplying. So what I want us to focus on is simplifying. And here I am going to use distributive property. Really, nothing happens on this parenthesis. It's just 3x plus 8. Over here, though, this is going to become a positive 10x and a positive 4 because this negative sign applies to all things inside the term. Now I combine 3x and 10x. 8 and 4, 13x plus 12. Boom. 24. Let's see, something outside of a parenthesis. My brain's going distributive property. 4a plus 16. And I still have this loner 8a out here. My goal is simplify. Those are my instructions. So anytime you're trying to simplify, you can combine like terms. 12a plus 16. 25. Ooh, I like this one. Something outside of a parenthesis. Yep, distributive property. 5x times negative 2x squared. Okay. 5 times negative 2 is negative 10. X and x squared gives you x to the third. Second, little rainbow there. Positive 20. X times x is x squared. Third part of the distributive, negative 40. X. Nothing you can combine there. The last one for this video. Oh my. Okay, now step 1, don't cry. Don't chicken out. Don't be a baby. Let's just take it one parenthesis at a time. One step at a time. It's like learning to fly or falling in love, Jordan Sparks fans. Now, it's like learning. You know that song? Jordan Sparks, never mind. Okay. The idea here is, okay, take the left side, treat it like its own little problem here. Distributive property, you get 8x to the third minus 32x squared. And then do the problem on this side, totally separate, but a problem you are familiar with, distributive property. Remember, this is going to be a negative 4x every time. So I got negative 12 x to the third. Second round, positive 8x squared, because negative 4 times negative 2. And then lastly, negative 36x. I look at what I can combine. 8x, negative 12x cubed. Remember, the sign in front matters a lot. Negative 4x cubed. Negative 32x squared, positive 8x squared. Combined gives you negative 24x squared. And then negative 36x. Bingo, bango, bongo.